So hello friend, welcome to a new video. So in this video I have ordered some things from the Amazon, so I want to show you, so please wait a minute. As you can see friend, so for opening so friend, you can see as I have ordered, and I thought that this is a camera stand, and I have ordered this because I have to do the classes, like I have also talked to you friends, you have seen. So I want to do the classes for online classes for this. So friend, as you can see, and you can also guys order this because I thought that this is very amazing things that I have ordered. And this is camera stand, as you can see, and in this there is also given a light. If there is not good quality of your phone, then you can also use this camera, I thought. Yeah, this is a light, as you can see friend, and this is a light, as you can see. And after that you can see it is a stand. This is a stand, as you can see guys. So after a stand, you can see this is a mic. If your microscope is not working good, then you can use it. So this, as you can see, this is a remote. I thought that it is for controlling or this purpose. And friend, that is all about this instrument. And if you like this, then just order. You can also order this, and it is very important purpose, because if you are not going to use this is a mic, as you can use for every purpose and for everywhere. So that's all about. So friend, as you can see, I have set up all these things, and as you can see, this is a setup for mobile. You can put easily mobile, and you can do online classes. And this is a light, and it needed battery also. So after this you can put this like a, and this is a system of all, and you can easily use it by the Bluetooth only. And as you can see, all the things, it is maintained. I thought you should also. So now that's all about this friend. I will meet in the next video.